So today we will solve the question number 16 from JEE Advanced 2024 paper 1 section 4. That means you have to match two columns, and in column 1 you have 4 options, and in column 2 we have 5 options. We have to match them. If you got the correct answer, you will get +3. If wrong, then -1, and otherwise 0. So let's read the question number 16. Let gamma belongs to R be such that the lines L1 and the line L2 intersect. Let R1 be the point of intersection of L1 and L2. Let O be the origin and n cap denote a unit normal vector to the plane containing both the lines L1 and L2. Then we have list 1 having 4 options, where P we have to find the value of gamma. In Q we have to find a possible choice for n cap. In R we have to find the vector OR1, position vector of OR actually, and in S we have to find the value of OR dot n cap. In list 2 we have 2 vectors and 3 values. We have to match, and there are 4 options given. We have to select the correct one. So it is clearly visible that the question is from coordinate geometry, 3D and vector, mainly 3D straight lines and vector. So to solve the question, we need to know some points. So let's recall that. So first recall, if two lines in the Cartesian form are given and they are intersecting, then the point which lies on the two straight lines, first point x1, y1, z1 first line में है, and second point x2, y2, z2 second line में है. Then the determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. This determinant must be 0. And what is a1, b1, c1? They are the direction ratios of the line, and a2, b2, c2 are the direction ratios of the second line. But if we need to know the condition for intersecting lines in vector form, then two lines, first line r vector equals to a1 vector plus tb1, where a1 is the point lies on the line and b1 is the vector parallel to that line, and ra2 plus sb2 are two intersecting lines, then the condition is a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 must be 0. Actually these two conditions are same. It is in the vector form and it is in the Cartesian form. And what we need to know more, if a vector is normal, that means perpendicular to another vectors, let alpha and beta, then n vector will be the cross product of that vectors, that means alpha vector cross beta vector. And if we need to find the unit vector, then the vector divided by the modulus will give us the unit vector. Direction can be anything, it can be in the plus minus form also. So let's solve it. So first we will use the concept that the lines L1 and L2 are intersecting. If we use this condition, that means the determinant, then only we will get the value of gamma. So the given lines are, L1 is x plus 11 by 1 equals to y plus 21 by 2 equals to z plus 29 by 3, and L2 is x plus 16 by 3 equals to y plus 11 by 2 equals to z plus 4 by gamma. So since L1 and L2 are intersecting, so the condition is x2 minus x1, so minus 16 minus 11, then minus 11 minus of minus 21 minus 4 minus of minus 29, then a1, b1, c1, so 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2 gamma must be equals to 0. So it implies -5, 10, 25, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, gamma is equals to 0. I am finding the determinant using the first row. You can use any one. So we will get -5 into 2 gamma -6, -10 into gamma -9, plus 25 into 2 -6 is equals to 0. This implies -10 gamma plus 30, -10 gamma plus 90 minus 100 equals to 0. So this implies -20 gamma is equals to -20, and so gamma is equals to 1. So we get the first value, that gamma will be is equals to 1. So option P implies option 3. So B cancel out. Next, it is given that N denote a unit normal vector to the plane containing both the lines L1 and L2. So the vector B1, that means the vector which is parallel to L1, and B2, the vector which is parallel to A2, lies on the plane, and so we can say N cap will be the cross product of B1 cross B2. So B1 is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, and B2 is 3I cap plus 2j cap plus gamma k cap, that means k cap, since gamma is 1. So N vector is the vector which is perpendicular to both B1 and B2. B1 means the vector parallel to L1 and B2 means the vector parallel to L2. So B1 cross B2. That means I cap, j cap, k cap, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, which is equals to I cap into minus j cap into 1 minus 9 plus k cap into 2 minus 6. That means minus 4 I cap plus 8 j cap minus 4 k cap. So to find n cap, we need to find the modulus of n vector, which is root over of 4 square. So 16 plus 8 square means 64, plus again 4 square, so 16, and it will be root over 96, which means 4 root 6. Therefore, n cap will be minus 4 common I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap by 4 root 6, or its plus minus value we can say. So it will be either I cap by root 6 minus 2 j cap by root 6 plus k cap by root 6, or in the opposite direction, so minus I cap by root 6 plus 2 j cap by root 6 minus k cap by root 6. So n cap is the option number 4, 1 by root 6 I cap minus 2 by root 6 j cap plus k by root 6. Now we know that Q is option number 4. So Q is option number 4 means D is also cancel out, either A or C. Now it is clearly visible from A and C that R is necessarily 1, or n cap was a vector and it is now 4. So it is clearly visible that the another vector, that means OR1 vector, is equals to automatically 1. So we know that R is 1, that means minus I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Then we can find the value of OR vector dot n cap. So OR1 vector dot n cap. Value of OR1 is minus I cap minus j cap plus k cap. That means option number 1 multiplied by, that means dot product of n cap, and we know that n cap is this one. So I cap by root 6 minus 2 j cap by root 6 plus k cap by root 6, which is equals to minus 1 by root 6 plus 2 by root 6 plus 1 by root 6, which is equals to 2 by root 6. That means root under 4 by 6, which is root under 2 by 3. So last, that means S implies option number 5. So option number C is correct. P implies 3, Q implies 4, R implies 1, and S implies 5. So here we have used the concept when two lines in 3D are intersecting, then this determinant must be 0, or if you are converting it in vector form, then this A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 must be 0. And if a vector is normal or perpendicular to two vectors, then that vector will be cross product of that given two vectors. And how to find the unit vector? It is the simplest one, that the vector by its modulus gives us the unit vector, and we have used that only. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have liked the video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe, and please feel free to comment below if you have any doubt or you have any suggestions or you want to ask some doubts. Then please comment below, and stay tuned for the next video. Till then, have a great day ahead. Thanks again.